Hi, my name is Kathy, and I received the Luminis Oracle yesterday. I asked the Oracle what would it like to do? Would it like to stay in the house? Would it like to go outside? And immediately it said outside. So we went to the park. I activated it correctly, and when I finished activating it, I asked the question, how can you assist me? How can you guide me in your life? And immediately I was taken back to a time when I was trying to say to someone, please stop what you're doing. It's not a good idea, but I wasn't firm enough. And because of that, I was basically treated in a way that was very what's the word for it? Very, I guess they were threatened by it. Yeah. So I've held that in all my life. And finally, when I finished gazing into the product, the Luminis Oracle, I got the most incredible message download. You are vindicated. So I can't even begin to tell you what that is like to have that message delivered in such a way from this amazing product. I also asked the Luminis Oracle if it would be willing to give me any more guidance at this time. I also noticed that my face was purple, I guess from the download. So I decided not to go any further. When I did leave the park, I noticed that I was feeling a little bit I was feeling wishy-washy, like I wasn't all there. I wasn't high, but I was noticing that I got in my car probably a little too soon. If I had done it over, I would have waited. I also had a interesting desire for coffee and a chocolate cookie. So after I got home safely, taking back roads, I had a cup of coffee and a couple of cookies and took a nap. In retrospect, this session that I had with the Oracle, the Luminis Oracle, was spot on. It was exactly what I needed. I also got some information about a person that is in a convalescent home that I choose not to share. But I would have to say a rapid response. I would need more time before sessions, maybe some electrolytes, coffee, water, in order to continue with another session. So I personally need to take it easy with this product. I also realized that it is wicked fast. This morning I lost my cell phone and I peered into the Luminis Oracle. Again, my face got red and purple, and I asked where my phone was. Thanked it and just stayed quiet for a few minutes and got a verbal picture or a picture of it being outside. And so I went outside and there it was. What a very cool product. Thank you, Peter Schenk.